see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good morning! Today is December 12 and si Kuya, kailangan ni Kuya magdala ng kung hindi sweet, savory kasi ano na parang mayroon silang konting kainan sa school kasi di ba para yun na yung party nila. So wala tayong savory. Magdadala na lang siya ng sweets. Maghanap tayo dito sa pantry kung anong meron ako dito sweets. Kuya, is it okay? Fredo? Kuya? Fredo. Is it alright? One only? Some. So how many pieces? Sige, padalahin ko na lang siya ng dalawa. Okay. Dalhin ko yung dalawang Fredo na choco. Dati, pag halimbawa may time ako, ang pinapadala ko kay Kuya spring rolls. And then gustong-gusto ng kahit yung mga teacher niya, gustong-gusto yung spring rolls ko. Tsaka ng mga classmate niya. And then kahapon, diba may Christmas party si Sak. Hindi ako nakadala kasi namumroblema siya. And guys, kagabi, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako yes baby, hindi ako mag-i-edit kasi gusto kong bigyan yung sarili ko ng 8 hours sleep. And then I did. And then sabi ko rin, pagkagising ko, hindi ako mag-check ng phone. And I did also. Kasi diba, parang gawain na natin na pagkagising natin, yung phone agad-agad ang i-check. Ngayon, hindi ko siya chinek. And then may 8 hours akong tulog. So parang ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Yes, Kuya. Okay. May swimming din pala si Kuya sa school. Okay, can you get your towel? What's wrong? What's wrong with your eyes? Yeah, it's red.
That's what I was wiping more.
Come here. I'm just gonna show your it's gone now, Kuya. Naalala niyo yung yung
How's it going?
Yeah, it's gone now. Yung niya yung it still hurt. Yung naglaro siya sa couch and nahulog siya. Ayan Ayan yung namaga. Pa rin siya, mayroon pa rin siyang tawag niyan, bruise sa sa ilong. Matingin, Kuya. Kahapon, it was purple, right? Purple and green, right, Kuya? Ngayon, okay. Naman? Bigyan ko nga muna to ng good morning muna sa mga people. Say good morning, people.
Hi, people.
Very good. Say, magandang umaga po.
Po.
Kaya isa pa. Magandang umaga po. No, magandang. Come on, say it. Magandang. Umaga po. Very good. Etong damit niya kay Kuya TJ. And then kay Sak. And then yun sa kanya na. Okay. Sige nga. Anuhin ko muna. Kasi ko muna yung niya. Pero nagawa ko lang si Kuya kagabi ng sandwich. Kasi si daddy niya rin ginagawa ko ng sandwich. So sinasabay ko na siya. No, that's Kuya. Okay, let's go. Huh? Plastic bag. Not this one. This one.
Yeah, I know.
And get the towel.
Get my towel.
Okay, get a towel.
Again, my mom wanted you to shower.
Bring some, Kuya, you have to bring water, okay? It's really hot. I have water.
Do I have my phone?
Just in case, just bring.
I do it.
Yeah. Where, at school?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, get your towel and then, Andy, please. Not this one. Where's your other one?
I want to get this one. Okay. It's a bit cold.
Make sure you don't make it dirty, huh? This is why.
Mom, you always wash it.
Yeah, of course I have to wash it.
Yes, Holly.
And don't forget this one. And Andy's Kuya. Excited siya. What? Hurry up, what? Wait, Mommy's washing you. Come on, no, Papa, you're gonna fall.
No, I have to put this in my bag.
Do you want me to drop you off, Kuya, or are you gonna walk?
Drop me off.
Drop you off?
Because when I'm gonna walk, my bag will be heavy.
Ah, okay.
And tell Dad I'm walking on.
You're walking home?
Yeah, tell
Okay.
Dad. Oh, Dad, for my friend.
Kuya, get her. Careful, ha? Careful. Okay. Okay, Holly, ready, get set, go! Ano gagawin sa mommy? Halik? Lala! Maraming halik! Mwah! I love you, Holly! Again, Kuya, be quiet. Sa? La. Mat. Very good! Mwah! Okay. Okay, let's go, Kuya. Oh, don't forget your food. Did you get all your snacks?
I got some snacks in my lunch.
Let me
I'll put,
check.
I'll put all my lunch in front of me.
Why?
Oh my god.
So you have to
Where do I put those?
put it here.
Hey Mum, why do I have to take one?
You just gonna take one? Just take one?
This one.
Just one?
No, I'll take two.
I know, one or two?
One.
Just one is enough? Okay.
Yeah.
Give it to your teacher right away so it won't melt, okay? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And now I'm gonna drop you off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Na-drop off na namin si Kuya. Ayaw ni Kuya maglakad kasi ang bigat ng bag niya and mainit, 34 degree today. And yeah, ngayon, maglilinis ako and pakalinis ko mag-check na ako ng phone and mag-edit kasi wala akong inedit nga kagabi, diba? So mag-edit ako ngayon. Bigyan ko lang ng breakfast yung mga bata. So, bigyan ko sila ng breakfast. Si Kuya Zach, gusto niya raw is... Come on, Baba. Where's your chair? Okay, get your chair. What do you want, Kuya? Sultana brain.
Yeah.
Ito yung gusto ni Zach. Paubos na, oh, yung sultana. Wala na. Mommy need to go grocery again.
Did I?
Not today because Mommy has things to do. Ah. Wala, ubusin ko na to. No more. Ubus na. And kay Holly gusto niya is what this have? Nutri-Grain. Nutri-Grain. Come on.
No, that's that one.
Ano ba? Okay, okay, alis dyan. Kawawa naman siyang kumuha ng upuan niya. Nakabihis na si Holly. Oh. Hinugasan ko na siya. Kuya Zach. Get spoon daw. Ito boss ito. Get spoon daw, Kuya Zach.
Hey, Holly, you're lazy.
She's not lazy. She's not lazy. Good for you.
I'm little.
Yeah, it's alright.
And you're careful.
Careful. What you gonna say? Salamat po. Okay, kain na kayo dyan. Maglilinis si Mama. Huh? That's not Cocoa Pops. Si Holly gusto niya yung Nutri-Grain.
Mommy.
Mix. Okay, make sure you don't make a mess, ha? Mommy's gonna clean up. And you too. Kuya Zach, you watch your sister here, okay? Okay. Eat na, Baba.
Why Holly needs doing that? Why Holly needs doing that?
Because I don't want her clothes to be
Messy.
dirty. Okay, eat na, Baba.
Messy.
And messy. So, Mommy's gonna clean up now, okay?
It's done.
Huh?
It's done, Papa.
Wait, Mommy will do it. It's alright na. It's soft now. It's alright na. It's ready. Mix. Mahilig siya mag-mix. So, mommy will... Uh-oh! Don't make a mess, Holly. Huh? Okay. Kuya, can you watch your sister, please? Mommy's just gonna vacuum here. Tingnan niyo si Holly, marunong na siyang tumulong maglinis. What are you doing? I know. Oh, careful. Kuya Sak, help her that one. Oh, no, she knows. She don't want you to help her. Good girl. Careful. No, not that way, Baba.
It's too fluffy.
Yeah.
And this one's smoothie.
Kasi yan ang nakikita niya sa akin o kaya kay Zach. Kaya yan kinakapi niya. Ayun si Zach busy. Where is it, Baba? It's yucky. Where is it? It's over there, Baba. I think Kuya Zach, you cover it with your... Remove your blanket. Remove the blanket. Careful.
I'll do it.
No, let Holly do it. That's why she was so excited.
I'll do it.
I do it. Dalaga na siya. Oh, sakto. Because...
Wait! I do it! We'll do it. Well, I do it.
Well, I'll do it. Good girl, but oh, you don't throw mommy's Christmas decor, Baba. Be gentle, please. That one, you don't remove that one, Baba.
You want this one?
No. That's for you, Baba, that green one. Okay. There. Yeah, get the white for Mama. Or Nana, wipe, Baba. What's wrong, Holly?
And Holly's the briar. No, not yet, Baba. That boy? Yeah. Guys, over here. What's it? My food.
You have to teach her, Kuya Sak. Okay, what's that, Baba? Where's your plate?
No.
Nawawala yung gamit niya.
Mom, do you have to take this?
I know, you just lift it, Baba. Okay, I'll hold it for you. And you have to do the dust first. Where's the, not that one. You get that one. That one first.
I do it.
Okay, so Holly will do it. Okay. Good girl. Where's the dry one now? Where's the dry one?
Yeah.
Okay. Good girl, Holly. Good girl. Good girl. Well done. It's alright now.
Baba,
You got more here. You got more here to do.
Baba, I didn't buy it quicker. The picture. Come here.
Diba? Tulong-tulong kami. May kapag-agawan pa si Holly. Pag naglilinis kasama ang bata, para lang din silang naglalaro. Nai-enjoy din naman nila. Basta wag lang yung pipilitin. Kasi pag pinilit, ayaw, magagalit. Ha? Yes, clean there, please. You like cleaning? Ha? Okay, you and Kuya Sak help each other, okay? Good girl. Are you alright, Kuya Sak? Lagi nawawala yung pang-dust niya. What? Daddy's here. Ayan, tapos na kayo maglinis. Tinulungan ako ng dalawa. Yes, nandito na rin si John. Tamang-tama, sakto. Yes. Nak, can you put that... Zach, can you keep the vacuum, please? Nak? I think I saw it somewhere.
It was in my bedroom.
Baba, how's your cleaning? Oi, how's your cleaning? Oi. Zach, can you... Excuse me, can you do that for mommy first, please? The vacuum. Put the cord, please, Nak. Ha? Nandito na kasi ang daddy niya. Gusto niya nang lumabas. Oh, no, no, not like that. You have, remember what you said to me? You have, what? What you have to do to the cord? No, you have to straight it. And, sinabihan niya ko dating straight yung cord. Ha?
What is 14? Mommy.
Yes.
Mom.
What?
What is 14?
It's not broken.
14.
It's not broken. You have to press. So, thank you. Lagay mo na dun sa lalagyan.
Put me on.
Yeah. Thanks. Who's here? Who's here?
Daddy.
Daddy's here. Baliw na naman siya. O, ganyan siya pag nandito, pag dumalit ang daddy niya.
Hi, sir.
How did you go, Dad? Well done.
Which one?
Holly, how's your cleaning? Oi, how's your cleaning? Oi,
Papa?
she helped me cleaning, Dad.
Well done, Holly.
And Kuya Zach. So yun na, tapos na maglinis. And time check. What time is it, Zach? 10:20. No, 10:35. 10:35 no. Tapos na ako maglinis. And hinihintay ko na lang yung aking linode para isampay. And mayroon ako nakasampay. So, syempre, aanoy natin yung tutupin. Pero mag-edit muna ako kasi wala pa akong edit. Ha? What you gonna have? Snacks. Ito si Fredo. Ito yung Fredo, Frog. Ito yung dinala ni... Did you wash your hands? Wash your hands first. Yeah, wash your hands with Kuya Sako. Ito yung dala ni Kuya Sako. It's a choco. Biscuit and choco coated. Yung sa ano, sa likod. Hoy, wash your hands first.
Did we pour that before?
Yeah.
Did we like it?
Sarap. So, ito yung dala ni Kuya. Marami to. Pakita ko sa inyo, wait. Ayan, oh. Ang dami niya, oh.
No, there's only 10.
Oh,
Snack time. Mag-edit muna ako.
and now I'm
Don't make a mess, ha? Ayan, nag-edit ako and yung dalawa naglalaro and nagkakalat. Di ba linis ko lang? Ha? Ayan. Clean up, please. Because mommy just clean up.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.